You light up the world like nobody else.
Baby, no.
You know you don't know. You don't know how beautiful you are. You light up the world like nobody else. You just don't know how beautiful you are. If you could see what others see, then you'd understand why they want you so desperately. But you don't know. You don't know how beautiful you are. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Happy birthday, Niall Horgan. 30 years old today. You sang this song with One Direction.
You're insecure. I don't know why. You don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way you are, that's enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. You don't know how beautiful you are. If only you saw what others see, you'd understand why everyone wants you so desperately. But you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. You light up the world like nobody else. But you don't know. You don't know how beautiful you are. If only you saw what others see, you'd understand why they want you so desperately. I'm looking at you and I just can't believe it. You're so beautiful. But you don't know it. And that's what makes you beautiful. You light up the world like nobody else. You know you don't know. You don't know how beautiful you are. You light up the world like nobody else. You just don't know how beautiful you are. If you could see what others see, then you'd understand why they want you so desperately. But you don't know. You don't know how beautiful you are. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.